This is about technique how to make bay window in SketchUp. First of all, we can use the rotate rectangle. Click from the position, then we can type around 2 meter. Enter and move it to the behind, and then we can type 150 millimeter. Okay, then I will show you about the dimension of this wall thickness and the wall length. This is 150. This is 2 meter. Then we can click the surface and push it up. Then we can type 3 meter. Enter. Okay, then we can triple click and then make group. Okay, and then we can triple click, offset it inside. Yeah, we can offset it inside 300 millimeter. Okay, then we can click and push it until to the behind. Then we can select the rectangle, click from the corner to the corner and click the surface, offset it inside. Then we can type 60, enter. Then we can click the surface, right click and erase. Okay, then we can click this surface, select push and click the surface again, and we can push it to the behind 120 millimeter. We can triple click and make group. Okay, then we can select a rectangle again and draw from this corner and place to this edge and press shift on our keyboard and move to the upper position, place to the position. Then we can triple click the surface, like move, then place to the midpoint. Okay, then we can push it until the behind and make group. Then we can make the rectangle again and offset it inside, type 90, enter, and erase this plane and push it until to the behind 40 millimeter. Then we can triple click and make group. Then we can make the divider of the window and push it up 30 millimeter or just 20. We can decrease 10 millimeter less. Then we can make component and create. We can select a move, tap control and place to the position. Then we can type 6/ and enter. Okay, then we can rotate 90 degree. Okay, then we can move to the midpoint. We can move to the midpoint of the window, make unique and place to the position. Okay, then we can we have to cross check again about the midpoint position in here. Okay, then we can select a rectangle and draw from this midpoint and also place to the position. Then we can push it to the behind, triple click and make group. We can select the glazing. We can use this glazing. Okay, and we can select all this window leaf component and also make component. Just create and select move, place to the position. Okay, then we can select the element, click duplicate and duplicate with 2 times. Select Q to rotate, click from the corner, then we can type 45 and also this one. We can erase some unnecessary object first. Okay, then we can select Q, type we can Q, rotate 45 degree, and this is a bay window anyway. Okay, and we can complete this one with a line. Okay, we can complete with a line and make group, and also this one we can complete with a line in here and make group. Okay, so then we can use the another wood materials to make it more realistic, to make it more representative enough anyway. Okay, and it's done, and then we can draw about the flooring system in here. This is just for the floor section. Now we can select the floor in here, and okay, I think it's enough. and we can also change about the style. Okay, we can also change about the style of this bay window, and we can set the shadow to make it more realistic, and we can we can non-active this again. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and don't forget to join in this channel membership. You can click the join button in this join button below, so you can choose about the level what you want, so you can get some perks on every month. Okay, thanks for watching, and just wait for my next tutorial. Thank you.